Hello guys, good day. Yan po yung mga example ng bore and stroke ratio. Over square, square, tsaka long stroke under square. Next po, yan po yung torque, efficiency, tsaka speed. Yan po yung power design ng engine. Nakikita nyo po yung power ng engine dyan. Yung efficiency nasa pagitan po ng torque tsaka speed. Tapos yan naman po yung mga example ng bore and stroke. Bali may idea na po kayo kung alin po yung design ng inyong motor, torque, efficiency, or speed. Next, yun po yung formula ng bore at stroke para makuha po yung kanyang engine displacement. Bali ito naman yung sample na ginawa ko. Halimbawa doon sa itaas 124, 042, consider po siya na 125. Then the other one is 155 cc. Thanks for watching and God bless.